Welcome to Step 2. In this guide, we'll help you set up your XploraOne and connect it to the Xplora app. Before you begin, make sure your XploraOne is charged and your mobile subscription is active. Haven't activated your subscription yet? Follow our Step 1 subscription activation guide for your SIM type, Nano-SIM or eSIM, before continuing. Let's get started. Press and hold the power button until the Xplora logo appears. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language and connect to Wi-Fi. Next, it's time to set up your SIM so your XploraOne can connect to your mobile subscription. If you're using a physical Nano-SIM, insert your active SIM card into the XploraOne. If you're using an eSIM, select the eSIM option on the screen and scan your eSIM QR code using the camera on the XploraOne. If you activated your eSIM subscription with Xplora, you'll find the eSIM QR code in your subscription confirmation email. If you're using another mobile provider, use the eSIM QR code provided by them. Once your eSIM setup is complete or your Nano-SIM has connected to the mobile network, your XploraOne will automatically display a QR code. This is the QR code you'll use to connect your XploraOne to the Xplora app. Keep it displayed on the screen while you continue with the next steps on your own smartphone. Now, take your own smartphone and download the Xplora app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account, or log in if you already have one. If you're creating a new account, use your own details. You'll add your child's details when connecting the XploraOne. Once your account is set up, tap Add a Device on the home screen, followed by Add Phone. The camera on your smartphone will open automatically. Allow camera access if prompted. Scan the QR code displayed on your XploraOne. Next, enter the phone number connected to your XploraOne, followed by your child's name. If you activated an Xplora subscription, you'll find your child's phone number in your subscription confirmation email. If you're using another mobile provider, use the phone number provided by them. Great! Your XploraOne is now connected to the Xplora app and ready to use. From the app, you can now add approved contacts for calls and messages, set up location features, and manage your child's settings. And that's it. Are you ready to explore? Enjoy your XploraOne.